So in this video, we'll discuss about what is trend line and what are the importance of using a trend line in the simple candlesticks chart. So let me first take a simple plain whiteboard to explain you a basic of what is trend line and how to draw a trend line, and then I will show you with the help of charts how really trend line works. There are many ways to use a trend line, but I will tell you one simplest way and one effective way of using a trend line. Okay, let's assume a stock is moving in a trend. So till now you will understand this trend is uptrending move in the market. So now in this uptrending move, what we need to do is we need to draw a trend line. Now how to draw a trend line is we need to choose all this major zone from which price reversed in an uptrending. I'm speaking same in a downtrending market. We need to choose all the major highs from which market reversed back towards downside in a downtrending market. Same in an uptrending market, we need to choose all this major point from which market reversed towards upside. So once we choose this point, then we need to focus on drawing a trend line. So how to draw a trend line? Let me show you with the candlestick chart. So this is a daily time frame of a bank nifty chart. So here if you look at the bank nifty chart, what is happening? Price was in a sideways move, and then price started slowly steadily moving towards downside. So here how to draw a trend line, what we need to do to draw a trend line in a downtrending or an uptrending. In a downtrending we need to choose all the major highs. So this is the major high. So from this point we need to start drawing the trend line. So let me draw it as simple. This is the mark which you have drawn. Now we need to choose the next zone. What is the next zone? Before drawing it, let me tell you next zone. This is the zone 1 and this was the pull small up move. This was the zone 2 from which price fall very faster. So now we need to mark down this zone. Zone 1 and zone 2. This is the zone 2 which I am marking here. You see here zone 2. So unless until now, next zone is, this is zone 3. So I'm just all the zones I'm just clicking to draw a trend line. This is the zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3. You can ask me, this is also a zone from which market down, why you are not drawing a trend line here? Very simple, try to understand. We need to catch, this is the first zone and second zone we have catched already. So third nearest zone we need to mark. This is not a nearest zone of this trend line which is running here. So this is the nearest zone which is coming when the trend line is drawing. I will repeat once again. This is the zone 1 which from which I am clicking. This is zone 2, and if I drag this parallelly, what we are getting, the zone 2 parallel to zone 3 at this candle only, not in this candle. So I am drawing a trend line here. So now once we have drawn a trend line, what we need to look is, just because price is breaking a trend line, we should not think that the trend has changed, because here the trend is down and the trend line is breaking here. So this doesn't mean that the trend has changed from down to uptrend. No. What we need to do is, once the trend line is broken, price will make an attempt towards downside and test this trend line again. Now if price reverse back towards upside, then we can say that the trend which was down, it has shifted, the reversal has happened towards an uptrending move. This is how the trend line, what is happening, we are getting a clear idea about the trend. So once we know that the price is breaking a trend line, trying to reverse back, move down and then reversing back towards upside. So here the trend is clearly reversing. To identify trend reversal, trend lines are very helpful. Now let's take one more example. Same, I am drawing again a trend line. Now, how to draw the second trend line? We need to mark down the major zone. This is zone 1, this is zone 2. Now we need to check parallelly where the zone is getting connected. Zone 1 marked here, zone 2, and then I'm just parallelly dragging this. Where is the zone getting touched? At this juncture, price is not testing this parallelly, so the trend line continues. What happened? Trend line is breaking here. What is important? Just because the trend line is breaking, it doesn't mean that this is uptrending. The trend, just because trend line is breaking, it doesn't mean trend reversed. A small up move again. Here, this same trend line is now acting as resistance. In the support and resistance section, I have already told you about what is support and resistance. Here, if you are not watched those video, go make sure to watch those support and resistance video also. You will clearly have an idea what is mean by a resistance. So now what is happening? Price is exactly stopping near this trend line and reversing back towards downside. Now the trend from upside gone to a downtrend. Look at the down move which we have got here. Trend line confirmation we have got here when price exactly got a resistance and slowly reversed back downside, and later on look at the steep fall in the market. So this is how trend line helps us to identify. You can use in different time frame. I have chosen a different example on a daily time frame. You can also use trend line in 30 minutes, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, hourly time frame. You can use in different time frame based on your trading style.